We are back with Youva Originals. Today we are making a pineapple pop-up. Here's what you'll need. Take a Youva yellow craft sheet. Cut it into an oval shape. Paste the yellow oval onto the white A4 sheet. Draw crown leaves on a green sheet that is folded in half and cut them out. Repeat this process with 4 more sheets, each folded in half. Stack and paste the leaves on top of each other. Attach the 2 ends of the crown to the white sheet. Spread the leaves out to create a bushy effect. From the yellow sheet, cut a rectangle and fold it into a cylindrical shape. Paste the cylinder onto the base of the pineapple. Continue pasting cylinders in a slanting line. Use a sketch pen to draw 3 small lines on each cylinder. Finally, use sketch pens to add patterns on the white sheet. Your pineapple pop-up is ready. Join us again next Saturday for another easy Youva Originals tutorial.